Alright guys, well, it's been a quick minute since we've made a video. Have actually gone to the track 3 times since the last video when we broke the trans.
God damn.
We did run an 816 at a track rental up at 131. So that ties the best ET for the car, and it was the fastest mile per hour at 168.8, I think. So car's running good. Then we went to Lapeer and spun. And McMillan twice and spun. So haven't got down since. And today I've noticed the oil a little milky in the car. I was just chalking it up to E85 and not getting hot, just idling the car on and off the trailer. Just when I pull the valve covers off, they'd be milky and what's in the catch can. And so anyway, today I was pulling out spark plugs, changing spark plugs, and there was water in cylinder 1 and cylinder 4. So, yeah, here we go again. R&Ring the heads. Ripped that all apart today. So, motor is back apart. Just got the heads off. 1 and 5, sorry. Look like they're not sealing perfect, and I think that's how we're getting a little bit of water into those two. Those are the front 2 cylinders on each side. So anyway, I ordered a new set of head gaskets. I'm going to probably should have leaked it down first, and I did compression test it. Both of those cylinders had great compression, same as every other cylinder. So I figured just rip it apart. When I was cranking it with all the plugs out, it was just shooting water out of both of those holes on every revolution. So obviously something's going on. All right, guys, after a little bit more investigating and a little sleep, looks like we found the problem. So I'll flip the camera around here and show you what's up. All right, couple things I found. One, been noticing glitter in the oil. Figured out where that's coming from. Out the hole that the roll pin goes through on the distributor. So the plan is going to be I ordered a new gear. We are going to drill a new hole at a different height and make sure that the gear is still at the right height on the distributor. What happened is maybe when they pressed this on last time, it wasn't perfectly straight, and they drilled a hole, and they didn't go perfectly straight through, which walled this out. And over time, it's causing slop in the there's play in the distributor now because of the gear being smoked, and this thing was just literally wiggling in here. That's going to get fixed. And then on to the problem, which is why we ripped the motor down, is if you look at these head gaskets, you can see they were leaking. Probably one more pass and we would have had water spraying out of the block. But yeah, it actually lifted the head on both sides. And this side, if you look at these water passages, this one is actually puffed up right here. So it's getting combustion. I don't know how good you can see that. But that shouldn't be puffed up. It should be flat like the rest of them. So it's definitely getting combustion in there, and that's where the water was coming through into that cylinder. This was the worst cylinder by far, and that shows it. So I was definitely lifting the heads. So I ordered all new stud kit, ARP stud kit. This is the old ones. I'm actually in the process of taking those out right now. Who knows how many times these have been used. They should be good to keep using them, but who knows if they were over tightened before I got the motor. You know, we put it together once. Who knows how many times it was apart before I got it. So whole new set of those going in. Obviously new head gaskets. Had to order new intake gaskets, new header gaskets. Just gonna replace it all while it's apart, and try to get it over to Justin over at D&D on Monday, hopefully, so he can at least look at the tune, make sure that I got the timing and everything, you know, back exactly how it's supposed to be. Then I'm gonna have to lash the valves, because who knows if head gaskets are exactly the same or where I lashed them last time. So yeah, got some stuff to do. Gonna obviously change the oil and, you know, all the stuff that goes along with that. Need to put new rear tires on. So we got a big punch list to get done this week before NMRA next week, but we're gonna get it. So here we go. Alright guys, been just absolutely thrashing. Garage was never this dirty, but you had to get this thing done tonight, so it's late. I live in a neighborhood, obviously, so I'm still gonna crank it. Let's just see what happens here. Here we go. Let's go. Oh man, shut the power off here. That feels so good. So good to have this thing running. Obviously got some odds and ends to do, but man, whew, I feel good. Thanks to Donnie Walsh, as always. Feel like I'm saying that every video, and Justin and Scoop Mike over at Sports Fab. Great to have those guys in my corner. Man, I'm excited. So stoked to have this thing together. Yeah, go up to 131. We leave here in 48 hours. So get some passes Thursday, passes Friday, race on Saturday, hang out with my buddies, be on vacation. It's been a journey this year, boys, but hopefully we can go fast this week. So if you like this kind of content, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.